introduction pa lang, makapandig balahibo na. The latest update of BINI as they bloom wherever they go. Finally, the BINI first solo concert is finally happening. The BINIverse concert day 1. Lights off in preparation for BINI's introduction. As you can see the hand movements of BINI, napahawak pa sila sa kanilang mga chest. You can see how nervous they are and being overwhelmed. Di pa nga nagsisimula ay grabe na hiyawan ng mga tao. Finally, it's happening. Watching the opening intro of BINI, you cannot see the nervousness because of how they keep justice with their performance. As you see the girls perform on stage, it's on fire. With their vocals and live band, it's perfect together. The energy, enthusiasm, the vibes they share is contagious. Na di mapigilan ang hiyawan, ma-hype ng Bloom sa concert. And mas maligaya pa sila as they see BINI Aya with her lively self. Just chilling the vibes, enjoying and be happy with their performance. It's only day 1 and the energy is so high. So excited for the upcoming 2 more nights concert. And here are the Bloom's comments regarding makapanindig, makakaba, the BINI intro. Now you cannot miss and want more for BINI's performance.